How's it going, everybody? This is Tony Sheriff with Sheriff Workshop. Today, I was looking at my table saw, and I only got 16 inches to cut on that side and about the same on this side because the blade's right in the middle. And I've noticed this before, but I didn't think anything of it. But with the older table saws, these are leaves you add on to it. This is where, they connect. And I saw these before, but this has a hole on the outside. All these holes line up. And so does this side. So I am going to do my best, hopefully not mess this table saw up. Put this leaf on that side, scoot it all over so I'm still lined up with my bench. So I'm gonna have at least a 30-inch cut on the one side, because I never really cut on this side. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. Okay, so I successfully put it on this side. Everything's smooth. That went a lot easier than I thought. So now I need to move these two runners for the fence over. And hopefully that's just as easy as taking the bolts out, putting the bolts back in, just like the other side, hopefully. And I almost lost these two spacers that are keeping it offset. I found them, so I'm not going to lose the next set that fall out when I try to move this thing. See, back when they made stuff, when they actually really made good stuff, they thought about everything. No matter which way you put this top, these holes are going to line up with this fence. That is so cool. Not really sure how I thought I could put it back together. Okay, holy cow, that was time consuming. Sorry I didn't show that, but all those little pieces in this little channel. My wife came out and helped me because she's got small fingers and it was perfect. So now I just need to tighten them all. And then the rebuild is complete. Now that that's done, I just need to, since this is an older table saw, dust collection is non-existent. So I just have pretty much a toilet flange up underneath here, so I can at least hook my shop back up to underneath it to create some kind of suction, but I had it in the middle, so now I just need to take it off, move it over, so because I got to bring this over another 6 inches so I'm flush with my bench again. Now I can do a 24 3/4, maybe a bit longer, further, but I don't want to go how far I want to go over that way. 24, I can do a 24-inch strip now. That is awesome. Yeah, I still don't have the room to do a full sheet, but someday. But this is a whole lot better for now. So, if you have an older table saw and it's got wings like this, and you wanted to get a longer cut on the one side, I don't know. I've never come into the situation where I needed. Oh, I thought you guys were pointing up hard. My bad. I've never come into a situation where I needed to rip on this side. So, if you've ever been in that situation, let me know why. Yeah, I just can't think of a reason why you'd want to rip on that side. I know a lot of people they do the cutting on this side, the ripping, but then when they use their jigs, I see a lot of people use their wow, what is that called? This. They use it on this side. So, but yeah. So yeah, guys, like, subscribe, follow for more, and yeah, let me know in the comments if you have an older table saw and you can do this. That'd be cool. And if there is any reason why you need to rip on this side, or if that's just personal preference, if you're left-handed or something, let me know in the comments. See you guys on the next one. Miter gauge. This is a miter gauge. Knew I would.